Bing bop boom 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 bop bam. Today we're taking a look at the Walker Fit M6 Ultra. Look at this box. This is cool. Definitely make a great gift box. Ooh, look at the presentation. This brand knows what it's doing. Look at this. It's got its own little custom charger. That's awesome. USB powered. Does come with silicone bands if you want to swap out the steel bands for the silicone. You can also use the adjustment tool. So this allows you to adjust the watch length, which is nice. Ooh, I can't wait. So this watch does have the upgraded, so you press on the sides here. Let's peel this off. If you press on the sides, it unlocks and opens the watch up, which is a feature I love. And just pops right back in place, just like that. This is just really nice. Like, I review a lot of watches and the quality is definitely up there. Wow. For those who are wondering, for charging, you just line it up like this and that's it. So you just simply place the watch over. You're going to see the two little, that's a little tough here, but you're going to see right down here, the two little metal plates, circles, they just line right up, and magnetic does the rest. Oh, look at this, guys. This is so cool. So you can set more features: heart rate, workout, stress, call, sleep, weather, daily activity, blood oxygen, music, voice assistant, timer settings, workout records, breathing exercises, calculator, compass, stopwatch, alarm, remote shutter. So this remote shutter, if your phone's compatible, you can actually control your phone and take pictures and stuff. Notifications, find phone, women's health, world clock, and flashlights. So those are just a couple settings. Couple of the different watch faces. Wow, these are cool. That's so cool. That's cool. So, touchscreen. Let's see, can we go? Okay, so over here, I think we went through, oh wait, there's more. I think there's more here. Workouts. No, I think these are ones we already went through. So you can use the little dial here to scroll, or you can use your finger as well. So it depends on what some people like. Different settings here. You got all these settings. You can add more settings as well. So here's going to keep track of your steps, your heart rate, distance, all this different stuff. Wow, this is amazing. Stopwatch and all this stuff you can keep track of. And you can edit this. So over here are notifications. Yeah, this is really cool, guys. There's going to be a lot more Easter eggs, a lot more things in the app. So definitely take a look at the manual. But this is awesome. Let's go ahead. Put it on. We might have to adjust the length, but at least you guys can get an idea what it looks like actually on our watch wrist here. I want to have this one. I like that one. That's cool. So cool, guys. If you're looking for a nice watch, you came to the right place.